High school, a whirlwind of fleeting moments and transformative experiences. In the blink of an eye, these 4 years can slip through our fingers. But fear not, because within this brief window of time lies an abundance of opportunities. Join me, Colton Campbell, as we explore the secrets to making the most of the high school journey, unlocking the doors to growth, friendships, and memories that will last a lifetime through the eyes of Valor Christian high school students.
Throughout this, you will see some of my best memories of high school, starting with homecoming my senior year. Franklin decided to share the challenges of high school with us.
Probably figuring out how to study for tests and probably going and completing homework.
Halloween parties like this one can be some of the most fun times. Here's Franklin sharing some advice about what to do during high school.
Get your work in on time. Don't try and procrastinate any of your homework, projects, tests. Just get them done and move on. If you get a bad grade, you can retake them. Not end of world.
One of my favorite memories of high school was going to Israel on a discovery trip. Race tells us about one of his favorite moments of high school.
My favorite part of high school is definitely just like being part of the sports and the athletic part of student life.
As we bid farewell to this chapter of our lives, remember that high school is but a fleeting breeze. Cherish the laughter, learn from the challenges, and hold on to the friendships that have shaped you. Life moves fast, but the memories we've created endure. Make the most of high school, as the friendships and memories will last a lifetime.